Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio watch model LA680WEL-8EF. Let's get started. The Casio LA680 is a digital watch known for its retro design. This model comes with a leather strap. It features an illuminator backlight, daily alarm, and a stopwatch function. The watch has a durable resin case and is water resistant. Its vintage aesthetic appeals to those looking for a nostalgic yet functional timepiece. The case width of this watch is 28 mm. The crystal is acrylic. The acrylic is easy and relatively unbreakable. The battery can last up to 5 years. The watch weighs only 15 grams. This is a women's watch. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.